Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the second part of the OCI application for minor video. So this is about the photograph and thumb impression. So first of all, we have to take a passport photo. In this video, you will know that what are the guidelines about photograph, how to click and edit photograph for free, and how to get photograph printed for just 35 cents. But this was the time when I printed it. Now it is 42 cents. And then we will proceed to thumbprint, how to take thumb impression of your child. Especially if your child is below 5 years of age, then they need to provide their thumbprint because they will not be able to sign. And then how to resize according to the OCI requirement, how to resize the thumbprint, and lastly how to save that copy of thumbprint, both hard copy and soft copy. Now for the photos, if you go to CVS or any other service for that matter, this one is for Walmart and this is for Walgreens. See, it is around $17. This one is $7, and for CVS this is $16.99 for their photograph services. But you can get your photo printed for just under $1 if you watch this video till the end. So it's my request that please watch this video and do not miss any part. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe so that you can save hundreds of dollars by watching my videos. And if you have missed the first part of this video, that what are the documents, how to save it, how to arrange it, then go to this playlist. I will link the playlist in the description box. You can go to the playlist and check out that other video as well. Okay, so all these things is just for free, like under $1 it is free, and you can do it just by yourself, spending 1 or 2 hours in this whole entire process. Next, here is a list of apps and websites that you will need during this process. So Canva is optional, but even if you are using it Canva, the free version of Canva will work. Then idphoto4u.com is the website which we will require, and then any photo app such as from Walgreens, Walmart or CVS will be required, and then your Windows Paint will be required, and if you are using a Mac PC, then any alternative will work. So first of all, you have to click a picture of your baby. So this is my 3 months old baby, and for babies there's a lot of relaxation when it comes to photograph. Okay, so you can see her face is little bit turned towards the left side, but this is what the photo should not look like. Actually try to position your baby in a way so that they are looking up straight and both their ears are visible. So that is one requirement. But especially for when babies are under the age of 1, there is so much of relaxation when it comes to photograph. Okay, now talking about the background, you have to take an off-white background or any light colored background. So about any product that I talk about in this video will be linked in the description box. I will share my Amazon page in the description box so that you can easily go there and get all the things handy that you will require for this process. Okay, so it does not take any extra bucks from you. I just get a small commission from what you buy from Amazon, that's it. And that is how you can support me grow this channel as well. So thank you so much for supporting me by subscribing to my channel and also purchasing from my affiliate links. If in case, for example, your baby is sleeping, that is also possible only when your baby is under the age of 1. Okay, otherwise this picture is okay. You have to hold your baby's hands like this so that their hands is attached to their body. This portion should be blank, and till this much you take the photograph. That will be easier for you to resize this photo. Okay, next we will move to the app. Okay, now assuming that you have already clicked the photograph of your baby, now is the time that you come to this page of Google. You can do this using your laptop or you can do this using your smartphone. I would say, both are equally good to use, but for the ease of use, I would like to use my computer because it has a larger screen and that is helpful for me. But the thing is easy and the job is exactly done the same way on a smartphone as well. So when you come to this Google page, you have to type idphoto4u.com. So that's the website that I will also mention in the description box. So all the important links, don't worry, it will be there in the description. So once you go there, you will find this kind of an interface. So what you have to do is, if the country is selected something else, you have to change it to United States. It's then passport photo 2x2, that is our requirement, 2x2, and print size is 4x6. Okay, so that will be 4x6 inches, 10x15 centimeter. Make sure that you are choosing this print size, and then you have to choose the file from your computer or from your phone. So I already have the file over here, which is passport pic of my baby, which I have shown you, and I have chosen that file. Then you have to click all these over here and finally upload. So here are few options. If you want to increase or decrease the brightness, the contrast, you can do that. So I would suggest, rather than going for all these options, you take the photo in a well lit place. So I'm not doing anything over here, and I'm going to next. When you go to the next screen, this is what you see. So you see there is these two green lines which you have to adjust. Adjust the bottom green rectangle to the chin, align the upper green rectangle to the top of the head. Okay, so that is what we will be doing. So this one to the chin and this one to the top of the head. Once it is done like this, we will just click to make photo. And you can see your photograph is done. So you will be getting 4 photographs, 4 copies of photograph for your baby, and this is how the whole thing will look like. You can see there is a command over here that your photo will be downloadable in 70 seconds. So wait for a few seconds till the time you can download it. So now that you can see that 70 seconds window is over, we can just click on download to download this photograph. So after we have downloaded the photograph, we will open another tab and go to CVS or any other photo printing site that you prefer. For example, I have been to CVS Photos, and under the prints I will select the size 4x6, and then we will add our photo here. I will rename this and select photo. You can see the picture here, and you can see 4x6 1, and it cost only 42 cents. It cost you only 42 cents. And then you have to press order now. And the rest is as follows. As you can see, I have already ordered it. I'm not doing it again because you choose the same day delivery, you do the ship to me, or ship to store, which is currently unavailable, whatever it is. So you just have to select a nearby store if you want to go and pick that up at your nearby CVS, and you just have to pay 42 cents for this. So this is the whole process of photo taking. So, the photograph, the soft copy which you have stored in your computer, it is also advisable that you keep it in that same folder where in my last video, as I told you, that we have to create a folder on our laptop, on our computer, where we will be keeping all the documents. So same, this photo should be kept in that same folder, because later you will also need the soft copy of this photograph to be uploaded at the OCI website. Now that we are done with the photograph, we will start with the thumb impressions. So first of all, as I told you before, that I will share an Amazon link of my store where I have all these products listed. So for the thumb impression, you will need this ink pad, and this stamp pad should be in black or blue. So what I have used for my daughter is black, and that is the reason why I have added this for your convenience. Okay, and then you will also need a printing paper, which is a normal A4 size paper. So all these things you'll get through this tab. So that will be linked in the description. So you have to take an A4 size paper like this, and first of all, you press your baby's left thumb into that ink pad, and then get it stamped in this white paper. Just hold it for 2 seconds and it will be done. So it's better to take the thumbprint in one of the corners of the paper, because reaching to the middle of the paper will be really difficult, and the paper can also get scrambled at that time. So make sure that you take in some corner of one paper, that will do. Now let me read out few of the requirements which are posted by the OCI department for the thumbprint. Okay, so here you can see the specification for applicant's image and applicant's signature image are as under. So we are already done with the image, and for the signature they have mentioned that the height and width of the signature photo must have aspect ratio 1:3. The minimum dimension are 200 pixels width and 67 pixels height, and the maximum dimensions are 1500 pixels width into 500 pixels height. So for you, the first step will be to take the thumb impression of your child in a A4 size paper, and then take a photo or scan that page through your mobile phone, or if you have a scanner at your home, you can do that easily. And then you have to store the soft copy in your laptop. We will open this Paint and we will bring in the photograph that we have saved for a thumbprint. Okay, so this is the one here, and now we have to resize it. So this is the resize button, and we will select the pixels, and in the horizontal you have to give 200, switch this link button off, and then press 67, and this is your new image. This time you have to press file and save as JPEG, because we will again double check. It was said that all the pictures should be saved in JPEG, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, should be in JPEG or JPG. Okay, so we will save this in JPEG or JPEG. Okay, and then the place where you want to save it, you just go and save this one. So that's the whole process of photo taking, photo editing and photo printing. And this one is the process of how you can take the thumb impression of your child and how you can resize it, and everything is just under $1. So again, I'm requesting you that please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and let me know any other question that you have in your mind regarding this video. Thanks for watching.